Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, a comeback has happened. 17, firstly, congratulations. So they have released their new mini album Attica, and this is their MV Rock With You that I'm going to be reacting right now. There are two new videos that dropped today. One is this, of course, 17's comeback. Another is DJ Snake's song, So I'm going to be shooting that video as well. But first, I want to check this song out. This is Rock With You. Of course, as usual, I give this disclaimer every time that I did not check out the teasers. And I don't know anything about this concept or what they're coming out with. So yes, I heard that Attica also like broke some record in sales and something like that. Like they did a record number of sales with this mini album as well. So congratulations to 17. And yes, let's just listen to this song, Rock With You. 17 has a very nice, whatever limited songs I've reacted to, they have a very nice, breezy, dancey, beautiful vibe that I don't know, I love that. I don't know why, but 17 for me, they remind me of my very first favorite and my ultimate favorite boy band group, which is Backstreet Boys. I don't know why they give me this vibe of Backstreet Boys also. I'm just saying, that's just my opinion. So yes, let's listen to Rock With You. Okay, here we go. What's in the piercing? Oh, I love the visuals.
I just want to love you. I just want you, I need you. 이 밤은 짧고 넌 당연하지 않아.
Wow, the visuals are amazing.
I wanna rock with you. Moonlight, 이 밤에 shine on you tonight. I wanna rock with you. 그 어디라도. Baby, hold on, baby, hold on. Yes,
Oh, what happened? Oh.
baby, hold on, baby, hold on. 세상이 끝나도.
I only recognize him. I only recognize Vernon. But I want to start. I like how just the song just starts like that. And the visuals are stunning. Of course, with K-pop, I know they have stunning visuals. But I love the production here. Okay, let me just start. I just love how the song just starts. And you know what? The way the song is starting, it actually sounds like a pre-chorus to me. I don't know why.
I just want to love you. 너로 다두지 않아 난. I just want you, I need you. 이 밤은 짧고 넌 당연하지.
These visuals are stunning.
I tell you this time I wanna rock with you. Moonlight, 이 밤에 shine on you tonight. I wanna rock with you. 그 어디라도. Baby, hold on, baby, hold on. Yes, I do. Baby, hold on, baby, hold on. 세상이 끝나더라도 I wanna ride with you.
Even if the world is ending, I want to ride with you.
달리고 있어 너 위해서란 모든.
What is happening? Why is the... Wait. Oh, okay. Let me just change this to HD. It's because it's on 4K, that's why it's stopping again and again. Let me change it to HD. Okay, wait.
Baby, hold on. Yes, baby, hold on. Baby, hold on. 세상이 끝나더라도 I 달리고 있어 널 위해서란
Dude, his voice.
숨이 멈출 때까지 난 너만
Oh.
enough for you
I love their choreographies. Like them as a group, they are so in sync. That's what I like about 17 particularly is the synchronization that they do. Even if it's not a very complex choreography, them together as a unit, they make it look so beautiful. And this particular choreography, it did not get highlighted, but I know it's gonna look really nice. This one. Wait, after this one, like he's kicking, and the members, it's not being shown exactly, but if you see it in a wide angle frame, I think this particular step is going to look so good. See?
I just want to love you 널 혼자 두지 않아 난 I just want you I need
See?
you 이 밤은 짧고 넌 당연하지 않아 I tell you this time I wanna rock with you moonlight
Now I feel after the second verse, the song is really like come into full force, come into absolute full force.
이 밤에 shine on you tonight I wanna rock with you 그 어디라도 Baby hold on Baby hold on Baby hold on Baby hold on 살아서 세상이 끝나더라도 I wanna ride with you
Oh,
to your eyes
who's this?
순간들이
Whose voice is this?
향해 있어 나는 너 하나로
Okay.
당연한 거야
Who are you, man? I like your voice. That was nice. That was nice.
세상이 끝나더라도 I wanna ride with you falling
What's this?
to your eyes 모든 순간들이 오로지 널 향해 있어 나는 너 하나로 슝 당연한 거야 나 없어 나에게 너만 있어서
Can I listen to that part again? Which one is that? Wait.
세상이 끝나도
I think I recognize him, but I might be wrong. Wait.
I wanna ride with you falling to your eyes 모든 순간들이 오로지 너
I might be totally wrong, but I think I know who this member is. Okay. At the end, let me just reconfirm it.
나 없어 나에게 너만 있어서 I'll let them break your heart Oh no 그 어디라도 Baby hold on Baby hold on 어디에서도 Baby hold on Baby hold on 어디서라도 세상이 끝나더라도 I wanna rock with you I wanna rock with you I
Wow.
wanna stay with you
Aww. Cute. I mean, I know it's like rock with you and all of that, but cute. Okay, but first, let me just rock with you lyric video. I don't want to be wrong, that's why I'm not guessing. Here. Wait. DK. Okay, no, I was wrong. My bad. Okay, fine. No problem. I was still confused between the members. I actually thought it was the one who is like shown beside. Okay, DD is correct, but okay, no problem. Alright, let me stop this. Okay, so this was DK. Chalo, acha hua. I didn't guess wrong. Like I didn't guess out loud, I guessed in my mind, so but I really liked him. So DK, okay, so you are DK. Alright. Lyric wise, of course, it's a love song, so nothing to say much there. what I want to talk about is the choreography, the MV, and the vocals. I love the vocals and them being such a. Do let me know, guys, what do you think about the line distribution here? Because I still don't know who is like the main vocalist and main rapper and all of that. But it's made like a vocal heavy song, and I really like this guy DK who sang. Like when he started singing, I was like, dude, who are you? But overall, I really enjoyed the vocals here. This is not really my kind of song, though. If this plays, supposedly this is playing while I'm driving and all, I'll not skip it. This is the kind of song I'll be like, no, let it play. It's sounding nice. It's sounding nice. But will I actively seek out this song? Probably, as per my own musical taste, no. But this is a really nice song. It's just, forget my musical preference. Forget what my musical preference is. But as a song, this is a very well put together song. The starting, I liked how it just starts. I like how it just starts, and considering this band has so many members and you have to distribute the lines, that's what I really liked. Like there's barely any time to sort of breathe. You just the beat starts and the member starts singing, which I really liked. The way the overall melody of the song goes, it's very fluid, it's very consistent, and I like this kind of beat is something I told you, they remind me of somewhat like Backstreet Boys. Personally, for me, they remind me of Backstreet Boys, and they totally give me that vibe. I don't know, it's just so much fun to look at them. That's what with 17, whichever MV of 17 I've watched, it was just like such a fun pleasure to look at them. Like when I look at them, I'm like, wow, so beautiful, so breezy, so nice. It's the feeling I get with 17. And I don't know, the way they have projected themselves as a group is just, I just get positive vibes. That's what I feel with 17. Like very, very positive in terms of the way they sound, the vibe that they give me. It's, just a vibe which I get from this group. It's very, very positive. It's not like very edgy or very this or very that. It's just somewhere they have created this amazing balance where they are just likable. You cannot unlike them when you see them. You'll be like, okay, they're so cute, they're adorable, they're so nice, I love them. This is the feeling you'll get. You'll not be like, oh my god, no, I'm not vibing with this. I don't know how they did it, but they have done it. It's very difficult to create that impact where you just give out this vibe that whenever they look at us, even for the first time, they'll be like, oh wow, this is a positive group, this is a really fine group. I just get positive vibes from this group. So that's how they project themselves, and I think they have done a very fine job. The melody is beautiful of the song. I just love this guy. I think for me, the part where DK sang that entire thing, his vocals completely stood out. Though the only member that I know from 17, like I recognize, I know Hoshi also by name, but it's just I've seen only one song of his. But Vernon is someone that from the very first video, he caught my eye, so I recognize him completely. And of course, I've not gotten into their discography completely. That's why I don't know the members. But this DK guy, I'll remember. This guy I'll remember. The video has been shot beautifully. It just gives you the summery feel. It gives you the lovey-dovey, breezy, romantic feel. And that's what the song is trying to actually convey. So going with the lyrics, I think the video is just perfect. And what I really like, now I don't know their singing styles particularly. Like everybody has a singing style and a voice and the kind of pitch modulation that they do while singing. I don't know what their strengths are in terms of their voice modulation, their pitch, their singing styles basically. But the way they sang this song, it had a very nice mellow undertone to it. So I don't know if they originally sing like that or have they sort of toned it down a little bit, because the way they sang the song, it's a vocal song, but here you don't have to really flex your vocals. You don't need so much variation here. This is a song which has to be very light-hearted. It's supposed to make you feel good, and it's supposed to give you a nice, positive, lovey-dovey high, which the way they sang it gives you that. So those were my overall thoughts, guys. Those were my overall thoughts. Carrots, huh? Those were my overall thoughts on the song. I definitely want to know your thoughts on this. What was your favorite track from this album? Like your favorite B-side, basically. And on this MV, please, what does Attica mean? I don't know what it means, so do let me know in the comments below. And yes, that was the reaction for Rock With You by 17. Congratulations to 17 for their awesome comeback. And I will be, signing off and ending the video here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like K-pop content. Do like, share, comment down. It helps the beautiful YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated to make videos. And please do follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description for you guys. And yep, signing off now. I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.